In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Copilot. If you're looking to enhance your productivity with Microsoft's AI-powered assistants right at your fingertips, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you will have Microsoft Copilot installed and ready to use on your device, streamlining your tasks and making your life a bit easier. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening up the Microsoft Store on your device. You can usually find it pinned on your Start menu or the taskbar. If not, simply type Microsoft Store into the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Once you see the Store icon, go ahead and click on it to open it up. The Microsoft Store is a one-stop shop for everything from apps and games to movies, so it's the perfect place to find Microsoft Copilot as well. Once the store is open, the next step is to search for Microsoft Copilot. Direct your attention to the search bar, typically at the top right corner of the store window. Click into the search bar and type Microsoft Copilot. As you type, the store might suggest similar apps, but make sure to select the correct Copilot application from the list that appears. After selecting Microsoft Copilot, you'll be directed to its page where you can find more detailed information about the app. You'll notice an Install or Get button on this page. This button is your gateway to adding Copilot to your applications. Simply clicking on Install or Get will initiate the download and installation process. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few moments, so be patient while the Copilot is being downloaded onto your device. Once the installation finishes, there's a quick step you can take to make accessing Microsoft Copilot even more convenient. You have the option to pin it to your Start menu or taskbar. This means you'll be able to launch it quickly without having to search for it every time. To do this, find Microsoft Copilot in your apps list, right-click on it, and select Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. By doing this, you're ensuring that Microsoft Copilot is always within easy reach. And there you have it. You now have Microsoft Copilot downloaded and ready to be used on your device. This tool is designed to help you get the most out of your time, providing AI-driven assistance tailored to your needs. Feel free to explore its features and customize them to suit your workflow to make sure you're getting the best experience possible. Thanks for watching, and happy computing with Microsoft Copilot.